today's episode of Behind the Polish, you're going to see me getting my nails done by one of you guys. I recently met one of my longtime subscribers, and CutePolish actually inspired her to become a nail technician, so I visited her salon and I got my nails done. Also, you're gonna see me travel to VidCon, which was so much fun. I got to see a bunch of you guys. I got to hang out with some of my YouTube friends like Cute Girls Hairstyles and Simply Nailogical, and I visited Disneyland. So stay tuned for all of that. And guys, if you love this vlog series, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to encourage me to keep doing it. And also subscribe below if you haven't subscribed already. So let's get into it. I'm here with Emily. She's one of my longtime subscribers. How long do you think you've been subscribed to CutePolish?
Since you started.
Since I started. How old were you?
I was in grade 8. So,
oh my gosh.
12 years old, 13 years old?
So she's a super long time subscriber, and she's actually a nail technician now, which is so amazing. And today she's going to be doing my nails for VidCon, and I'm so excited about that. So we're going to show you guys the process and the result at the end. So many colors to choose from. So for this mani, we decided to go with a YouTube theme. We also chose to use gel polish so it would easily last all week without any chance of chipping while I'm traveling. We did red on all of my fingers, except for the ring fingers. Those were painted with a sparkly silver. Then Emily painted the YouTube play button on my middle fingers and filled it in with a dotting tool. We opted for some more sparkle, so we added in iridescent glitter over the play button. Finally, the ring finger was prepped with gel, and we blinged it out with tons of gems. A final cure, and it was all done. Thank you so much, Emily. I absolutely love them. Now Greg and I are headed off to VidCon on a plane. We played Polish Blast on the way and tried to beat each other's scores. If you haven't downloaded this game yet, check the description box for a free download link. These clouds reminded me of cotton balls. A little nail obsessed? Maybe. Next, VidCon picked us up in this crazy car that I wanted to show you guys. It was pretty incredible. That was an automatic footrest on Greg's side of the car. There were TVs, headphones, and tables in the back. I wished our car ride was longer. Then we arrived at our hotel in VidCon. Overall, VidCon was a lot of fun. I got to catch up with YouTube friends all week, see you guys, which is the best, and finally, I spoke on a panel. I'm at a YouTube dinner with a bunch of really cool people. I'm here with Mindy from Cute Girls Hairstyles, who's been a super long time friend now. She's the best. I love her so much. Check out our channel. It's all hair tutorials. It's so awesome. We're here with her hubby, Sean.
Hey, how you doing?
Bailey. I like laying across the table.
Brooklyn's over there too. Definitely check out their channel and Camry's new channel. I will be linking all of these below.
Next, we went to a Back to the Future after party.
I'm walking on sunshine. Oh.
I was really excited to see this replica of the DeLorean.
There we go.
Oh, sweet.
And then if we actually go 80 miles an hour, it's going to flash. Hold on tight. Oh! Present time, 1988.
I'm here with Christine.
Hello, everyone.
Who some of you may know as Simply Nailogical.
Hollow on the nail.
Lots of hollow and rainbows on her channel.
It's not on my ears, which makes me a little sad, but hopefully it's Disney.
We're both sparkly though.
The pink is awesome. I'm kind of
So
jealous.
is the silver. I love it. Everything we have in common. Canadian. Ontarioan. Nails.
Birthdays.
We were born 48 hours apart.
That's right.
We're the same age.
Secret, we're actually twins.
We might be and we might not be telling you that we're actually sisters.
We both have, I was going to say boyfriends, but he's your husband. Not quite.
Yay! Greg Polish and Simply Nailogical. Brofist, come on. Brofist. Yeah!
I see your nails. Oh, it's very nice.
Anyway, we're at Disneyland today and it's so much fun. We're about to go on Splash Mountain! Help, I'm being stalked by CutePolish. She put me in a tunnel. Look at Greg. Greg's so happy. We just did Space Mountain, but it was Hyperspace Mountain, so it was all Star Wars themed. It was super cool and awesome, and the Force is totally with us right now. I lost a gem off my nail. After a long week, we're headed back to Canada. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys so much for all of the support you've given me over the years. You've really changed my life, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. As always, take care, and I'll see you next time.